Keeping it going. Next up, my friends, we have Barry from VQuest.
Hello, everybody. I'm Barry for VQuest, and I'm here today to tell you about how we've made it easy for you to decarbonize your construction design. We're a team of construction experts all the way from New Zealand who have been utilizing SketchUp and VDC for the last 30 combined years to get better buildings and better outcomes. Recently, our clients have started asking us to measure carbon, and when we did, we realized that the existing solutions that were out there were absolutely trash. So we built VQuest to try and solve that problem. Climate change and decarbonization are the biggest challenges that we're meeting as a society. So the materials that we specify and select inside our buildings are responsible for over 20% of our carbon emissions globally. We're missing some huge opportunities that we believe are actually easily solvable. Designers and contractors have the ability to stem these emissions, but they're going to need tools to make it easy. And there are tools like VQuest for SketchUp. Now, our users are typically you guys who are already benefiting from the early design stage benefits of SketchUp, but with VQuest, you get to integrate powerful data directly into that SketchUp workflow. And that data allows you to see instantly the impact of the material choices you're making on your cost and carbon benefit for your project. Architects, engineers, and contractors are designers. No longer do we have to deal with quantification or spreadsheets. No longer do you have to spend hours working on product EPD or specification documents. No longer do you have to wait weeks for price checks from contractors and suppliers. VQuest makes that information available directly inside your SketchUp workflow. You can take carbon, cost, and building mass data and embed it directly inside your 3D model. You sync with VQuest and you start instantly getting performance feedback on that design. You can platform alternative materials and methodologies and see how they actually impact that performance. One of our users recently became a carbon superhero, and they did that by utilizing VQuest. They eliminated 10 weeks of time from their construction program. They eliminated 4,100 tons of carbon. They lightened their building by 1,100 tons, which allowed them to go 2 floors higher, increasing their profits. And they found savings of over $500,000 along the way as well. We call this design optimization, finding opportunities in both cost and sustainability easily. Now, we've cracked a large part of that decarbonization problem, but we're missing a huge opportunity, and we know that. You see, VQuest starts working at concept design, and it works all the way through to delivery. However, 20 to 40% of that decarbonization opportunity exists at the earliest stage of design, before you've even drawn a line in that design. Now, we believe that's a data problem, and we believe that we can solve it. So we got to work with the SketchUp team, and we built a great methodology and some powerful AI. We figured out how to extract data quicker and better from existing buildings that have already been built. Now, we've leveraged it, supercharged it, and integrated it into that feasibility design stage. Thanks to the 0 to 60 challenge, you're now getting access to feasibility information for cost, carbon, and mass at that earliest stage of design. You simply grab a screenshot, a render, or even upload a photo of a real building. Sometimes you don't have this information, you can simply describe your building. Our AI instantly recognizes what the building typology is, what you're trying to build, and it mines data from every single project within our database that's relevant to your building. You get instant benchmark feasibility across not just one methodology, but multiple build methodologies to see which one is best. With time and users, this is going to get stronger and stronger. Now, what can you do with that information? Well, you can walk into your bank and you can start asking them about green funding. You can start about, they're likely to say yes because you've already proven the sustainability potential of your project. Now, to wrap this up, we've also automated compliance reporting that is now being mandated right across the world, including here in North America. And we've just announced a partnership with Athena Sustainable Materials Institute here in North America to build the quickest, most automated and powerful carbon lifecycle compliance tool available anywhere in the world. Better informed decisions, easier access to funding, and saving you considerable time with compliance reporting. VQuest is a winning solution for architects, engineers, and contractors. With VQuest, you can become a decarbonization superhero too. Just come have a chat with us on the exhibition floor. We've got the best chocolate you've ever tasted all the way from New Zealand. Now, you can also scan this QR code, and you will also get that information. This is what we can do in 5 minutes. Imagine what you can do with VQuest.
Imagine what you can do with VQuest. Thank you so much, Barry.